Family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Yes, I know. I know what y'all saying, and I understand. Yeah, you haven't seen me in a while. Y'all, I just been doing, I'm just gonna say I've been doing other things. I'm still gonna be couponing. I'm still gonna be bringing you videos, okay? So don't think that I'm not, but I am. It's just for about those weeks that I was out, I just took a little break. And then I still was couponing though. I just wasn't making videos. And I was just doing, other things. What I'm doing now, I am dipping and dabbing into beauty products as far as soaps, body scrubs, bath bombs, and body butters. I have been doing that. And y'all know I already have a boutique, which is Chere'er Boutique. And that's going to be still going. And I'm trying to promote other things with my boutique. So I have been doing that also. Okay. So it's just been a lot. Yeah, and plus y'all know that I have my granddaughter sometimes in the afternoon. I still work my 9 to 5. And then after that, I have my granddaughter. So that takes up some of my time too. But then on Saturdays, I do some of the 5 off of 25 sometimes. But if I see that the coupons is not really there and it's a high out of pocket, I don't do it, But today, remember they were saying about the Saturday when you spend 5 off of 25, you get another 5 off of 25 for during the week. I only did one 5 off of 25 Saturday, which I wish I would have did 2 more, but I didn't. I don't know. I just didn't feel like fooling with it. So I did receive my 5 off of 25 where I can actually, from yesterday up until I think it's Friday, that I can actually use it. So I used it today on this transaction. Okay. So this transaction was a nice out of pocket for me. It wasn't on the low, but it was on the low. But first off, before I get into this deal, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit the notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. So doing this deal, I was like, I didn't know really what I wanted to do, but I knew I didn't want to come out of a big out of pocket. But the coupons that I did receive was some good coupons, okay? So what I did was I purchased this Essential Mist. It's vanilla and pink papaya. I got 2 of them. There is a digital coupon that is a buy one, get one free. And these were $6.50. The coupon took off $6, okay? So I got 2 of those, in which these are the Airwick. The next thing are the Dove. Dove was $7.43. There is a 4 off digital coupon that is attaching. Now the Dove Men, this is $6. And there is a digital coupon that it's a Dollar General coupon. If you spend $9 or more, you save, I believe it's $2. Okay. So actually it did work out great for me. It did work out good. That, by my opinion, it worked out good. Okay. So then the next thing I got was the Nivea. Now this Nivea, this is lotion. It is, how much is this Nivea? $4.75. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching if you haven't used it. I don't know if we got it Sunday or we've been having it, but I used the $3 off digital coupon that was for this. So after she scanned all my stuff, I put my number in. The 5 off of 25 came off because it was way over $25. The 5 off of 25 came off. Also, the all my coupons came off that was supposed to. So my subtotal was $11.18. I could have left off the Nivea. You know, I could have left that off, but I just went ahead and put that in to make it a little bit more out of pocket and cheaper out of pocket. But these days, y'all, $10 for if you're coming out is good because the prices are going up. The coupon prices are going down. You might get some good ones every now and then, but now it seemed like $10 is going to be the lowest. You might get it lower than 10 if there's some good coupons, but I'm just seeing $10. You know, the subtotal is a low out of pocket now to me. I might be wrong, but you know, everybody's different. So this was $11.18. Everybody's taxes is different, so let me show you my receipt. So there is the Dove body wash. There is the digital coupon. There is the Dove Men. There is both of the Dove coupons, the 5 off of 25 and the $2 off of $9 for the Dove. There's the Nivea. There's the digital coupon. And then there's the Airwick. And there is the $6, which is the buy one, get one free. So there is my $11.18. Everybody's taxes is different. Look at my total savings was $20. Can't beat that. And I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday, February 25th. Okay. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nyla's channel.